Ravi's life looked perfect from the outside. A stable job, a loving family, respect from society. Yet every night, when the world became quiet, his mind became noisy. Thoughts raced. Regrets whispered. Fear sat silently in his chest. He often asked himself one question: why am I still not at peace? Like Ravi, many of us are not suffering from lack of success. We are suffering from restlessness. We achieve one goal and immediately chase another. We smile outside, but inside, something feels incomplete. Ravi tried everything: motivational videos, long work hours, weekend distractions. But peace never stayed. One evening, while cleaning old books at home, his eyes stopped at a thin book with a simple title: Bhagavad Gita. Ravi opened a random page. It wasn't complicated. It wasn't loud. It felt like someone was speaking directly to him. Krishna was not talking about success. He was talking about the mind. Just like Arjuna, confused, overwhelmed, standing in the middle of life's battlefield. Krishna says something very surprising. He does not say, "Run away from life to find peace." He says, "Do your duty, but don't tie your happiness to the result." This is where most of us suffer. We don't just work. We attach our peace to outcomes. If I succeed, I'll be happy. If I fail, I'm broken. If people praise me, I'm calm. If they criticize, I'm disturbed. Krishna gently reminds us, peace does not come from controlling results. Peace comes from controlling attachment. Today, we live in constant comparison. Someone else is earning more. Someone else is happier on social media. Someone else seems ahead in life. So even while moving forward, our mind is running elsewhere. The Gita teaches a quiet truth. When your mind lives in tomorrow, peace cannot live in today. Ravi realized his life was not heavy. His expectations were. That night, Ravi didn't magically become peaceful. But something changed. He worked without begging the future for happiness. He acted without measuring his worth by results. For the first time, his mind felt a little lighter. Because he understood, peace is not a reward. Peace is a way of living. The Gita is not an old book. It is a mirror. It doesn't ask you to escape life. It asks you to understand it. And when you stop demanding peace from the world, you slowly discover It was already within you. Gita teaches us one simple thing. Do your karma with full heart, and let peace take care of itself. If this Geetar Kotha touched your heart, pause for a moment and reflect. And if you feel this wisdom can help someone you love, share it with them.